Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Today we're diving into The Princess and the Frog. Remember, lovelivelife.com. Go get your spiritual tools, family. Statues, crystals, and Ase cards. Get your tools and do the work on reprogramming your subconscious mind. Yeah, you might think you're over it, but your conscious mind is going to tell you whatever you want to hear. But if you have these basic symbols around your house, it starts recalibrating your subconscious mind. Hardworking and ambitious, Tiana dreams of one day opening the finest restaurants in New Orleans. Her dream takes a slight detour when she meets Prince Naveen, who has been turned into an amphibian by evil Dr. Facilier. Mistaking her for a princess and hoping to break the spell, Naveen plants a kiss on poor Tiana, thereby turning her into a frog as well. The pair hop along on an adventure through the bayous to seek the help of a powerful voodoo priestess. So they start the movie off showing us this imagery. Little European girl and melanin girl. What they're actually doing is a ritual showing you the New World Order. The white female is the New World Order, as you see her in every image, movie, commercial, Barbie doll, and so on. See, through your mind control, you are made to believe that the European is prestigious, righteous, successful. They give you this Jesus image and has been inundated into your subconscious mind as right forth, pristine. We understand and know that the black female is the first and true God of this physical plane. See, this movie is about your mindset and how you think. What are you subconsciously saying to your kids? What are you subconsciously saying to yourself? In the movie, Tiana has to stay hungry and motivated and work hard for scraps to get to her goal. Throughout the movie, she constantly, repetitiously saying, hard work, hard work, hard work. I have to work hard to get what I want. Meanwhile, Charlotte wishes upon a star and gets what she wants. Charlotte is in control of her reality. Why? Because at a very young age, she was treated like royalty, and whatever she asked for, she got. Her mind control programming was full of abundance and prosperity. Get the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Her subconscious don't know no difference than I always get my way. I always get what I want. I never have a lack of. My melanated people, instead of telling your kids you don't have or with what money, tell your kids these commands. We always have money. You are a rich kid. Oh, you don't answer to nobody. Fake it till you make it. If you physically don't have it at the time, that's okay. Your kids don't know and understand that. Especially little kids from the ages 0 to 7. That's when you want to start as they're in that theta wave range. Power their subconscious minds up with abundance and prosperity. And their subconscious mind will take their reality and form it to how they see fit. They show our Hispanic family as a prince, where he also says he doesn't have any money. Remember, your words are powerful, And the way you speak and the words you use is a representation of your reality. They end up falling in love and getting married, where they start the hard work process again to building their dream business. Now, don't get me wrong. You're not going to just sit on the couch and click your feet together and get your heart's desire. You have to put the physical in motion. As your physical is in motion, the spiritual is aligning up right with your intention. But put your spirit first. Don't think this is going to happen as a chronological design where your conscious mind came up with it step by step. As you can see, Tiana had to change into a frog to get her heart's desire. There's no A to Z to this thing. If you listen to all the entrepreneur stories, it's always something off course of logical thinking. Manifest your reality by understanding how your subconscious mind works. Follow your spirit and you will fall into the rightful place on the throne. Dream wise.